is not put feet on my chair, so you'll see. Excellent. So 6th grade, when we, at the end of class, we're going to have to get the room back together. So if I lose track of time, this class ends at 10:53. So around 10:45, let me know if that's like, oh, no. All right. We're going to be Lions. You are going to be Lions.
Yeah. I call being one.
Me too.
We're all going to be good. I would say boring? I disagree. Oh my goodness. That hurts right in here.
I'm not a negative person ever.
No. Well, I hope today, Alyssa, we were going to change that. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it.
Wait, what? 50 what?
So, now, what I want to do, before we do anything, let's do mental math.
Oh, yeah.
All right? Let's do some mental math. Is anyone here? Tyler's not here?
Oh yeah, Tyler's on the field trip.
He's on the field trip.
Oh yeah.
I won't be here Friday.
I won't be here Wednesday. That's the field trip.
Okay. 11 times 425. 11 times 425. Because we never did mental math yesterday, I don't think. And time.
4,670.
Love that you told me you didn't ask me. Nice job. It wasn't like 4,675. There was no question mark. Love it. What do I add to 425 to get to 1,000? Brayden, I'm up here. We are not drunk, sir. 425 plus what will get to 1,000? Maya.
575.
Nice. 50 times. No. 500.
Wait, what?
50 times 500. 50 times 500.
Wait.
Chloe? 25,000. Good job. Ladies, do you have a question? What do I get from 25 times 28? 25 times 28? There it is.
700.
700. Was it 700? It was 700. Love it.
What is that supposed to be? 100.
Alright, well, not that today. Now, this is what we're going to do. Yes, I promise you guys we're definitely going to do this today. Definitely gets away from classwork, notes and stuff. Tomorrow, I will be handing out your classwork assignments. Mr. Frizzell is going to be making the copies today. So he will be making the copies, and we're going to work on that on tomorrow, all class, Thursday, all class, and then we're going to end on Friday with the assessment. I will not be here on Friday. I believe. I'm not sure yet, but I do believe I won't be here on Friday. I don't know what that means.
Outside?
I'm hoping, as long as it's okay, I want to maybe bring you guys out tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh no!
Alyssa and Josie, this is twice. Every time I look over, you guys are check. Do you have a question? So I can't make a promise, but I will try. I gotta figure some things out first. All right. So here's our graph. We're just gonna graph lines, but I'm not gonna give you everything. What I want to do is to start off. Sir, you may sit. To start off, I want everyone to write at the top. Slope equals.
Morning Big Park Middle School, please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, liberty and justice for all. Hello, I hope everybody's having a glorious day. Today is April 28th, and there is 7 weeks of school left, and that ourselves into summer, and I myself am excited / sad. I'm going to miss school. But it's getting warmer, as you know, and we need to make sure that we are following the dress code. Dress code, dress code, dress code. That's very important for our school. For length, you must have 3 fingertips for tank tops. And for shorts and skirts, mostly, they cannot be past your fingertips. So no cheating. Make sure that you follow the dress code. You must be in good standing by May 29th for the 8th graders to go on the trip. So that is May 29th. And today, by 10:30, if you have any more donated food, we will be sending that out. So make sure that you bring down your food if you have any more. And then Fun Run Colors, that will be on May 6th. And that is rainbow for the 7th and 8th graders. So make sure that you wear rainbow on May 6th. And for each student, you should bring $35 in if you can to get pledge money. And we will be having a lot of fun, so make sure you join in. For lunch today, we'll be having chicken fajitas. So, besides that, there's nothing else, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day.
Wait, Mr. Johnston, for the fun run, can we wear, like, shorts, like not these, like running shorts?
Like not like short shorts,
Well,
but like shorts.
So basically track shorts?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can wear
I would assume yes, but I'd have to find out.
They wore them last year.
Yeah, that's
Hold on, guys. I can't handle everyone talking at the same time. Meredith, what were you saying?
Like, could we wear, maybe we could wear spots over it, and then just for the fun run, it's not wear spots or something.
That's kind of what I would think would be the safe bet. I'll have to find that out for you. I'll make a note. Yes, Mike.
Can we tie-dye shirts?
Can you wear tie-dye shirts
Can we actually tie-dye shirts?
in this class?
Yeah.
But thank you for asking. I appreciate it. I wish we could, but we only have, guys. Question? Brandon?
I do.
We only have about a month left of school. A little over a month. Actually, no, it's about 1 month. Really, that's really what it comes down to. And I'm hoping to get, I want to get 2 more assessments. I want to get this one on Friday, and at least 1 more, maybe even 2. We do like a quiz or something. So we do have a lot of work to do. If we end early, if there is a day, Maya, that it's like, hey, we have some time, yeah, but I can't promise that one. Alright, now, I gave you guys the whiteboards. These are not to doodle. These are not to draw. These are not to be messing around with things that we shouldn't be doing. All we want to write, I want you to write slope at the top. And I want you to write equals. What letter, Aubrey?
M.
Is slope? M. Slope equals M equals.
Change your Y, change.
Perfect, thank you, Anson. Change a Y over change an X. Equals.
Y2 minus
Y1 over
X2 minus X1.
Nice job, Carson.
Oh my gosh, I remember.
Equals.
We forgot one thing. There's one more, right?
Equals rise over run. Slope is the same thing as what? M. Rate of change. Rate of change. Now what is the rate of change formula? Chloe?
Changing the variable over changing.
Perfect. So, everything that we're writing up here, that would be a great idea for tomorrow to write on a note card. Remember, you guys can use Carson up here. You guys are allowed to use note cards. There's a lot of stuff that we've learned when it comes to a lot of different things to remember. Rate of change, dependent variable versus independent variable. Formula of a line. What you may write what the formula of a line is. Y equals what plus what?
MX plus
Mx plus b. And what is m?
slope.
Slope. What is b?
Y intercept.
Y-intercept. So, I want you to write that right below. Slope. Y equals mx plus b. And I want you to say m is slope. And b is y-intercept. Sweet. What's that?
Y intercept.
I'm reset again. I'm sorry, Maya.
You asked why is versus why is that's so
Yeah, why not? All right.
Because he wanted to win the football game.
So
Man, he wants to lose clearly.
we're gonna do a couple of different problems today. I'm gonna be throwing some on the board. All right. And what we're gonna do is you okay? Yeah. We're gonna get it. If it's not in y equals mx plus b form, first we need to do that. And then we're gonna graph it.
Can I be a point?
We're gonna switch it up a lot. So the first one, and how we're gonna do this, I'm gonna write it on the board. Y equals something, or we might have to change it. And I want you to get it into y equals mx plus b. If it's not, also write what the slope is and what the y-intercept is.
Okay.
We all see what we're going to be writing on the whiteboards.
Yep.
Alright. So the first one, let's start off with, I guess an easy one.
2.
1 over 2 x plus 3.
That's easy.
Yeah. 1 over 2 x plus 3.
I like this one on the homework quiz. It was a good one.
These ones aren't too bad because you don't have to change anything. Aubrey, what's the slope?
1 over 2.
1 over 2, I agree.
Do you not keep the x on then?
The x is saying whatever number is next to the x is the slope, is your m.
Gotcha.
The reason for it is because what the x is doing, that the x we're multiplying, it depends on how much it's changing. The slope is 1/2, meaning it depends on the x-axis.
Okay.
Okay, so
Check smart.
m is 1/2, and I want you to write to equals to the right of it. Rise over run.
Rise over Uma.
Rise over run. Isn't that what slope is?
Yeah.
Carson, what do you have as your b on your whiteboard?
What?
What's your b?
3.
3. Carson, go to b. Go to b.
Okay, let's see here. 1, 2.
Perfect. Alyssa, Chloe, and Aubrey form the line. We're going to start off. All right, actually, you have 15 seconds to form a line. And go.
Oh my gosh.
What?
1, 2.
No.
Nailed it.
No. On the whiteboard.
Yeah, you can write one.
I'm going to go over
No,
two.
Perfect. So, starting, I love that you guys did this. We started off with Carson, and Aubrey went, it was like boom, boom, boom. She was like, where's up 1? Okay, up 1, over 2. Then we went up 1, over 2. Up 1, over 2. Meredith,
Yeah.
what if you run out of room? Show me what you want to do.
If you run out of room,
If you run out of room.
so it's 1, 2, so then
He said
Why?
1, 2, perfect. Nice! Thank you guys. You can return to your seats.
1, 2, 4, 5,
All right.
9, 1.
Next one. You may erase.
10 over 1.
You may erase. And we're going to have either on the right side or the left side. Where every one of these, I want you to write m equals. It's going to be something, and it's going to equal rise over run. All right. Next one.
She could predict.
Y. We'll do another. Not too bad. Y equals.
Guys.
Hello. Hello. Oh no.
-1, take away 4x. First question I'm going to ask you guys. Is this in y equals mx plus b form?
No.
Can we make it?
Yes.
Yes, so you may do that.
Oh, so we let you after.
If it is not in y equals mx plus b form, you may do that. This is not, so therefore we have to make it into it.
So you switch it?
Every little thing is gonna be all mine. That I send it to you or your friends.
Carson, let's see what you got.
So I just flipped it. Yeah. I just flipped it. Yes. And then.
Don't worry.
Alright. Someone who can support me. Maya.
What? Hi, Chris.
You may respect my classroom. This is an activity for you guys. If you're showing me so far that you can't do this, we can't. This will be just the boring way. Hear me, Carson? Alright. Maya, what did you get as your formula?
Y equals -4x plus -1.
Negative 4x plus -1. Love it. Do we all have the same thing?
Yep.
M. We should have M equals, B equals. And I saw so many of this. Listen, what do you have on yours?
For M.
Yep.
It'd be -4/1.
Love it. And I saw that on yours. -4 is M. But almost on all of your guys, you did this. -4/1. Which is great because that now we can visually see our rise over our run. Brayden,
Yes.
what's your B?
What is my B? -1.
-1. Brayden, go to B.
What?
Go to B.
That was a hard one.
Do we agree with that?
Yeah.
I would say so. Nate. I should have done this the easy way because now I don't remember who I am. Anson, you haven't done it yet?
Nope.
Audrey?
I heard it.
Thank you, Elizabeth. And Josie. Form the line.
Oh, this is hard.
Hello.
14, 13, 12, 11,
I think we ran out of room.
9,
Because I get you the next one.
7, 6,
No!
4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. It's done.
Alright, so this is what they got going on.
Up one?
Isn't this supposed to be a
Nate,
negative slope?
where are you sitting?
Nate,
What?
Where are you standing, rather?
Nate, it's negative slope.
Let's see, so I'm starting off. Shh, hold on. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Hold on.
He was right there.
No, you were right over there. Thank you. That's all there is that. Let's see, starting at graded. The rise over run is down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Oh, went a little too far. Let's move up here. Good. Then up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Love it! But Aubrey, you said something.
It's a negative slope.
It's a negative slope. Is this a negative slope?
First time.
So we need to make this into a negative slope. So, 10 seconds, you guys may switch. Show me how to make it into a negative slope.
Wait, Josie, I want that one now. Oh, you're the way. How does it go? Actually, it's right near blue.
Good job. Do we agree with this one?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
I like it almost. I like it almost.
Almost still wrong.
Nate, scoot over.
So,
I'm sure I'm right.
Yeah, they're not connected.
And they need arrows on the end.
and then there would be arrows.
We
on
should
the
have
organizing.
we should have people.
Guys, let's stop. Let's stop all the calling out. So I like this better. Now we have a negative slope. You may stand the boring way. And I'm looking, okay, it's a steep slope and it's negative, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, the next group of people that I'm going to call up here to do this, it's going to be anyone that's sitting's responsibility not to say what to do. And I'm going to have 4 people come up. They construct a line with each other. And we're going to be looking, it's like, is that right? You see what I mean? Mm-hmm. We're just going to be looking, listening, and watching. Thank you guys. Next one. Formula, or the equation is 2x plus y equals negative 3.
Oh my gosh.
2x plus negative y. Brady may come sit on this table right over here. 2x. Oh, you can't really see that, can you? 2x plus y equals negative 3. Alright. First question I'm asking myself, is this in y equals mx plus b?
No.
No. Can we make it into
Yes.
y equals mx plus b? Yes. Question? Alright. Now,
Is it negative y? No. Oh, you said negative.
well, I apologize. 2x plus y equals negative 3. I want this to be y equals. Alright, so now we should all have something on our boards.
Yep.
Maya, support me. What's the first thing? You have a beautiful singing voice. I would love to recommend you to choir. I know this person very well.
It's stuck in my head.
Who's in choir? I know some people are in choir. Maya, you remember Josie?
I would be if I were.
I'll be happy to.
No.
He's looking for guys, Carson.
No, I do not.
Carson.
Fire.
Carson, there's only, what, 2 boys in choir?
2, 3.
3 boys? The rest, Carson. Carson, the rest?
Jason and eighth
The rest are females. The odds are in your favor.
No.
So,
Like, don't worry.
Maya, support me. So what do I do?
Like, well, you put 2x after the y.
2x after the y. So you did this?
No, it's y equals 2x plus negative.
Close. Close. So, in order to get the 2x away from the y, we want to shift it to the other side of the equal sign. When shifting it to the other side of the equal sign, we need to do the opposite sign. What is the sign going on between the 2x and the y?
Plus.
Plus. What's the opposite sign?
Minus.
Minus. So to get it over here, we want to subtract 2x. Whatever we do to one side,
Be
need to do to the other. That goes away, and now I'm left with y by itself equals negative 2x plus negative 3.
Woo!
And this is where I wanted to take a moment because the guys that were on the DC trip, we didn't talk about this yet.
No, we did not.
You should have seen Mary.
It's all negative 2x.
So when shifting it, you may return back to your table. I'm going to put you over there just to have you go back. You're going to stay there. Yes, Meredith?
When you said negative 2x, where did you get that?
Because it is 2x plus y, but it's not just a negative, it's not just 2x, it's the positive 2x. In order,
Minus 2x.
and then to get it from this side of the equal sign to the other, I want to do the opposite sign.
But can you not do that? Wait, 2x minus 2x, right?
2x minus 2x,
Isn't that 0?
they go away, and that's why I'm left with y by itself now.
You have to do it on the other side too.
So like negative 3 next.
It would be negative, well, okay, that's fine. So then we have negative 3 minus 2x.
Yeah.
But this still isn't in y equals mx plus b form. So to change this, this is y equals, I'm just going to flip these, negative 2x plus negative 3. We'll look at another one like that. Another one like that. Yeah.
I don't do like that thing. I don't know. I still get the same answer, but I like don't subtract anything. I just like flip it around, and I still got negative 2 over 1 and b equals 7.
She just takes the y and puts it over here. But I still got the same answer. But you didn't
I don't have that answer.
Wait, how did you?
I don't have that answer. What do you notice about yours
You get the negative.
compared to mine? Look at the, what's the slope?
There's no negative there. Yeah. So technically, so.
Are we okay with this, guys?
Yes, I heard.
If
I just stick the opposite operation right there.
If we don't, we can't just take things and be like, I don't feel like it being over here. I'm just gonna move it
But I got
to the
this
other
one
side.
answer.
But Ansley, what's your slope?
We said it doesn't matter.
Negative 2 over 1.
That's not what you had before. You had 2x.
2x.
You had positive
Because I forgot I had the negative.
2. Right. And it was
But I can
because.
just do that, just take the opposite operation, and just so that I can just put a negative. Because they'll switch to a negative.
You said you brought the y, and this wasn't a negative.
Yeah, but I did also using that.
How's that yummy?
And that's what we did up there.
I know. I don't do that stuff.
Guys, this is a question that a lot of you guys have. I've seen it on the worksheets. You're not respecting my classroom. This is showing that we can't do this activity. There's chatter over here, there's chatter over here. This is supposed to be a fun activity. You may respect my classroom. If you don't want to do this and do worksheets, we can do that too. I have the worksheets. Is that what we prefer? No? So, as I said, this is what I did. I said I didn't like the y, so I just got rid of it and I moved the 2x. Y equals, and you said you just moved that guy over here.
Yeah. But then, like, you can just, like, how you usually do it, like, the minus 2.
Right, so that's fine, and we've got the point is, if you know how to do that, that's great, but you can't just move it without changing signs. That's what happens. You can't, if you move it from one side of the equal sign to the other, signs have to change. Are we alright with that?
Yeah.
We'll take another look at another one, another example like this. M equals, Carson, what'd you get as your M?
Negative 2 over 1.
Negative 2 over 1, nice. Anton, what'd you get as your B?
B, I got negative 3.
Negative 3. Anton, go to B.
Take too long,
Alyssa, great band, we're not writing it. Alyssa, Maya, and
Oh, you said me.
Ansley. Alyssa, Maya, Ansley, and Anton. You guys have 30 seconds to decide what the line should be. Work together.
28, 27,
Carson, I got the clock.
Wait, it's negative.
trying to sort
It's a negative slope.
Negative 2. No.
Wait.
Basically,
What the junk?
So, right, well, we start off with the y-intercept.
2 up, 1 over.
So what do we do with the y-intercept? Alyssa? What do we do? We start at the y-intercept. Where do we start? Where do we go?
we go negative.
Negative. Well, what would you do? Answer, support. Support, this is your team. This is your team. Let's go. I don't know how to do this.
Down 2 and over 1. And so you can go up 2 and over 1.
And over.
There you go. Ooh, nailed that. Oh, listen, what are you standing?
Don't even know.
Okay. We're going up 2. This slope. Rise over run. Starting at the y-intercept. We have to go down 2, 1, 2. Over to the left, 1. Perfect. Or over to the right, 1. Well, we can't go down any further. So we need to go up 1, 2, over 1. Front line. We go up 2 more. 1, 2. Over to the left, 1. Boom, right there.
That's exactly right.
I see this.
Well, I'm sorry.
So, what do we think? Do we like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
I would say so. Yeah, good job, guys. Good job.
Good job.
Next one.
Star of the show.
1 over 2x. 1 over 2 x minus y equals 1. One over 2x minus y is equal to 1. Is this in y equals mx plus b form?
No.
No, can we make it?
Yes.
Yes. Nice work.
Yeah, so then you have to like go minus one. Yeah. But then you don't go to that way. You just go to that way.
So what's next to the
And then you go. Because they're not like turtles.
Well, you've got nice faster than I did. I still don't get it.
I don't care. I just do like this has an X, so it explores perfectly there for this. That's all you need to know. Yeah, and then you switch around.
You know what? Don't judge my theories on it. I've been studying this stuff for 50 years. Just start crying. Hold on.
And then just like
Make sure all answers are in y equals mx plus b form.
Win. Done. Answered it. Wait, just kidding. I did it wrong.
I found it.
So it's not making one more?
that's what I got.
This one's a little tricky. Alright, this one was a hard one. The reason why this one was a little tricky was because of this negative y.
Thanks a
So
lot.
let's say this is plus negative 1y. I'm rewriting this as 1/2 x plus negative 1y equals 1. Okay. I want to get y by itself. So I want to shift everything away from y. Well, I have 1/2 x plus negative 1y. And in order to move this guy to the other side of the equal sign, I need to take the opposite sign. So I'm going to subtract 1/2, not just 1/2, 1/2 x. Whatever I do to one side,
You do to the
I
other.
do to the other.
But you can't subtract the x.
So, those two go away. you're left with negative 1y equals 1 minus 1/2 x, or 1 plus negative 1/2 x. But what's still ugly about this, Aubrey?
It's negative 1y.
Negative 1y. How do I get rid of the negative 1y, Aubrey?
You gotta divide it by negative 1.
I need to divide by negative 1. I need to divide by negative 1. I need to divide by negative 1. And now,
So you do it to both?
I have to do it to everything.
So
yes.
everything, so things on one side, you have to do to everything on the other side.
Yes,
That's fine. That's fine.
Now I'm left with y equals negative 1 plus
1/2.
a positive 1/2 x. But is this in our form that we want it to be?
No.
So, our final answer is y equals 1/2 x plus negative 1. So our m
Is
positive 1/2, and our b is a negative. Yes, Maya?
I kind of did it a little differently. I did the same thing that we did in the last problem, and I treated the minus as like how we, I did it kind of how we did it last time. I don't know, but never mind.
There's a couple ways to do it. I'm not saying that this is the only way. So, did anyone move the y to the other side?
Not making that mistake again. I got it wrong last time I did that.
You're close.
Okay, so at the start I had negative 1 over,
So, do you want to get a point?
Before I change,
Grab it.
Oh, it was super cool. I thought you guys were like playing a game or something.
We're graphing. Isn't it obvious? How do you not see it? There's an axis on my floor. Whoa!
What?
Whoa! We're going to be doing this with you guys probably next week, week after. Hope you're ready. Yes, Carson?
I got a negative 1/2.
Because what's in front of, I have one I want to see this. So let's just go back.
Wait, Mr. Johnson, are we ahead of them? Or are they doing something different?
Something different.
like what?
So, Carson, so did you get me up to this point?
Yes,
But what sign is in front of the 1 here?
plus.
Plus, so when I shift these around, when I go like this, I don't want to change that.
It's changing.
I don't want to change the sign. I want to keep it a positive. What's in front of the negative 1?
Negative.
So we don't want to change that sign either.
Okay, I got it.
Josie, go to B. Maya. Maya, Rhiannon, Meredith. Form the line, ladies. Everyone else. We're checking. We're checking to see. We're checking to see if this is correct. 30 seconds.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Okay. So 1 and 2. I think right there, right? Yeah. 1, 1.
We're respectful, guys.
I like this.
respectful.
Do we like it? Do we not?
Yes.
Perfect. Good job. Now, ladies, I want you guys, without changing the line, how would you extend it to quadrant 3? Which one's 3?
We need more people.
What is this one? What is that one?
2, 3.
So how can we extend it to quadrant 3? So I want you guys to shift now. Now I want you to shift. Does the B change? No. Perfect. Nice job, ladies. Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, we'll do 1 or 2 more. 2y plus 3x. 2y plus 3x equals 4. 2y plus 3x equals 4. 2y plus 3x equals 4.
My marker was over the gym, so I can grab it.
Let's not put feet on my chairs, please. It is, but would you want to sit in a chair that won't put feet all over? Then you walk around.
It depends what was on the bottom of the shoe.
Alright, well, there's 4. Look at the bottom of my shoe.
That's your shoe.
Because I guarantee it's the same. Alright, take 1 more minute. 1 more minute, we're going to go over it.
I scored. 1 point.
I like how we divide it. Let's see. I like that we divide it. We'll make sure.
What is this?
How did you get through
Is
that?
that crazy?
Nate.
Let's take a look at this. We don't want to do that. We can't just magically change things. Alright?
And they do it funny when we're like,
Close. Close, close.
so why have a 1 with it now?
At the end.
It does that.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Wow, that's really good.
I messed up.
Come on.
Much work, too hard. Hard work.
Alright.
Much too hard.
When shifting, it all goes back to getting y by itself again. The question was 2y plus 3x is equal to 4. Do we want 30 more seconds?
No, I got it.
I got it.
So, we should all have what b is equal to. We should all have what m is equal to.
Can I say it?
I want you to try. I want all you guys to just check your answers. Appreciate it, though. So, I need to get y by itself. We have a 2 now next to the y. We also have plus 3x. What do I get rid of first?
3x.
Why?
I don't know.
You guys remember this?
Oh, it's sad man.
Remember SADMAP?
Subtraction, addition, multiplication.
SADMAP. Opposite order of operations. We're moving things around the equal sign. We want to do math. Get y equals something, but we got to get everything away from y first. Well, what's with the y? 2, but the 2 is multiplying the y. We don't do multiplication until after we do subtraction and addition. The 3x is adding the 2y. So to get rid of the 3x, we don't want to magically just say, okay, I'm going to rewrite it over here. In order to magically do that, and it's like, what do I need to do? Not division, subtraction. So I'm going to subtract from 3x. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Those go away. And now I'm left with 2y is equal to negative 3x plus 4.
Sounds good?
Negative 3x plus 4. Nate, what's going on between the 2 and the y?
Oh, 2 and the y. Yes, you can't do that. You have to divide it by 2.
You gotta divide it by 2.
Yeah.
Divide it by 2. And now I'm not just going to divide one thing by 2. I'm not going to just divide the 4 by 2.
Divide everything by 2.
Everything by 2. So I'm going to write that.
Yeah.
I'm going to write that I'm dividing everything by 2. And we get y equals negative 3 over 2 x plus 2.
I feel like we do something different for every.
Yeah, actually, I'm really consistent.
Really? I feel like it's consistent.
I don't.
I feel like it breaks rules. I mean, established.
Like what?
I don't know, like, well, when it's like 2y.
Hold on. Gentlemen, what's up?
I was trying to get.
When it's like 2y divided by 2, like I had 1y, but I guess the y, or like the 1 just vanishes, and then like.
Well, there are, we do have one y. Totally.
Okay.
But what's 1 times y?
It's y.
Y.
Yeah, but can you leave the 1?
Yeah, if you want to leave the 1 next to the y, that's totally fine with me.
Wait, is it the same?
Y and 1y are the same thing.
Y and 1y, they're the exact same thing. So that doesn't change anything. We just have a 1y next to it. Alright? M is in this column negative 3 over 2. B is positive 2. I don't want to run out of time. So, Elizabeth, Aubrey, Carson, and Nate.
What do I go to?
We'll start off with Aubrey. You will be the B, Aubrey. Ladies and gentlemen, you may support each other. And C.
Okay, so it's
Are you going to?
it's down. No, it's
Negative.
down, down.
Yeah, round it up. So I'll go up.
1, 2,
1, 2, over 2. Down 2. 3 over 2. And it's good because it's like 1 more.
Oh, wait, is that yours?
Yeah.
Over 2.
I know what you're
That was quick. Is it a negative slope?
Yes.
Ladies,
Yes.
ladies, we're checking. Is it a negative slope?
Yes.
Yeah, does it match up?
Yeah.
Answer is perfect. Excellent.
Best one of the day.
Yeah.
Not.
Best.
There are no best. Everyone's the best, Carson. Questions on this?
Nope.
Alright, what I want to do is erase your whiteboards. And we need to put my room back together.